How to disconnect Threads from Instagram. Hey there, welcome to the channel and let's get right into this tutorial. You cannot actually completely disconnect your thread from your Instagram, but there are some of the workarounds that you can try. So starting off, you can actually disable the thread batch from your Instagram account. For that, check out your Instagram application firstly. Then at the bottom, you will see a profile icon. Click on it. Then tap on the Edit Profile option. Over here, you will see this Show Thread Batch that you can turn off by just simply tapping on it. After that, the thread batch will be disabled from your bio. Next thing that you can do is you can actually deactivate your thread account temporarily. For that, open up your Thread application, then tap on the profile icon at the bottom. Check out the two horizontal lines at the top. From here, navigate to the Account option and select on Deactivate or Delete Account. Select on Deactivate Profile and tap on Deactivate. No need to worry as you can always retrieve your Thread account easily. Hopefully this was helpful to you. Thank you so much for tuning in.